Hi, everybody. Will here with this week's top 10 list brought to us from the home office in Coboconk, Ontario. Someone told me I wasn't enunciating well enough. So there you go. Coboconk, Ontario. Coboconk. All right. This week's topic, top 10 ways to choose your puppy. Number 10, spin a bottle. Number 9, rock, paper, scissors. Number 8, wearing a blindfold. Number 7, with your heart. Number 6, let the puppy pick you. Number 5, with a scientific approach. Number 4, with common sense. Now we're getting there. Number 3, ask your mentor. Number 2, have the breeder choose. If you don't feel comfortable, sure. Number 1, using years of experience and knowledge. That's the way it should be. Right, Doc? Back to you. Bye, guys.